In today's video, I am going to teach you how to view Savor theme demo for Shopify. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Shopify theme store. This is the official marketplace where Shopify lists themes, along with previews and details for each one. Using the official store is important because it gives you the most accurate demo experience and the latest theme information. Once you are on the Shopify theme store website, look for the search bar, click into it and type Savor, then run the search. As the results load, find the theme named Savor and open it. If you already have the direct link to the Savor theme page, you can also go straight there instead of searching. Either option works, and both take you to the same theme listing. On the Savor theme page, take a moment to scan the layout. This page is where Shopify provides key information like the theme overview, feature highlights, and the available preset. What you are looking for specifically is the button labeled View Demo Store. This button is usually easy to spot near the top area of the theme listing. Click View Demo Store. When you do, Shopify will open the demo in a new browser tab. The demo store is a pre-filled example shop that typically uses a fictional brand, often in a category like food or beverages. This is normal and is meant to show you how the theme looks with real content already added, such as product images, collections, and a homepage layout. Now that the demo is open, you can explore it like a real online store. Scroll through the homepage, click into products, and navigate through menus to get a feel for the design, spacing, and visual style. Near the top of the demo window, you will see icons that let you switch between desktop and mobile views. Use these toggles to preview the responsive design. Pay close attention to how the edge-to-edge imagery scales as you switch views. This is a helpful way to confirm that banners, product grids, and images still look clean and readable on smaller screens. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.